How to play Helldivers 2 Co-op online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. While playing as a Helldivers fighting for democracy and Super Earth, players will be tasked to defeat several alien invaders to protect the civilization in Helldivers 2. They are tasked with completing various missions and liberating the planet from the grasp of the enemy forces. Since most of these missions demand tactical co-op gameplay from the players, they are considerably more enjoyable when done with your friends. Teams of up to 4 players can embark on these missions together to defeat the alien dangers and accomplish the given objectives. Updated March 4th, 2024 by Bruce Boswell. Although it's possible to play solo, much of the fun in Helldivers 2 is had with friends. The Cooperative game sees groups of 4 players tackling various planets and completing objectives against a variety of enemies. Thankfully, it's pretty easy to jump into the action and join other players in the Helldivers 2. To better help showcase how to join friends in Helldivers 2, the following guide has been updated to include a small companion video. In Helldivers 2, you have to finish the tutorial to access the co-op mode before you can join forces with your buddies to fight some extraterrestrial bugs for the good of democracy. Every player must watch the tutorial. It cannot be skipped. It will take around 20 minutes to finish the tutorial and your first mission, which you must do alone. After the tutorial, you can add, invite, and complete missions with your friends. Helldivers 2 offers the best gameplay experience when it's played with friends. The third-person shooter has several difficulty levels and demands tactical gameplay from the players, combined with their cooperation and teamwork with other players in the squad. However, adding your friends to the game can seem to be a bit confusing as the game does not make it clear when you start. But don't worry, follow the steps to add other players in the Helldivers 2. Log into the game's main lobby and enter the social menu. You will find the search section on the left side of your screen, when you must paste another player's friend code. The friend code must be generated by clicking the Generate button inside the Your Friend Code section, and similarly, you can share your friend code with other players so that they can add you in the game. Added friends can be viewed from the Friend section of the social menu, and you can accept or reject incoming friend requests from the Friend Request section of the menu. And after you add your friends in the game, you must invite them to a squad if you want to play missions together. To form a squad with your friends, here are things you have to do. Enter the social menu from the game's main lobby, then go to Friends section, which will show all your added and online friends. Click on the player name you want to add to your squad, and then click on Invite to Squad. If you want to join a squad created by another player, click Join Squad. However, to join a squad, the leader's matchmaking preference must be set to Open to Friends. This preference can be changed from the Gameplay Settings menu, and Helldivers 2 is best experienced in the co-op, but the gameplay is unfortunately not very forthright with its subtle matchmaking methods. So this was all about how to play Helldivers 2 co-op online. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.